benefited a lot from his sessions. So as I told previously that I fumbled in my very first speech that was supposed to be my self introduction. So what I felt initially before attending your session was I already had a very good command on the English. Why do I need to attend this session? And after just attending 2 weeks, when I got the first activity and when I fumbled, I realized how much I'm lacking. So I was, not even aware that I need to cover these points. So now I can say that I have a very good command on the vocab as well as the pronunciation and the parts that we have covered about prep, comparing the historical data and how to dodge particular things. In last month, I have gone through these scenarios as well. So what happened was in few of the calls, my manager was running late and he was the host of the meeting. And with the US team or few of the calls with my VP and director, I had to spend that particular time by the time he joins. So I was able to use that dodge activity that I learned here in that particular space. I have day after tomorrow, I have a presentation that I'm going to presenting about my process to our VP as well as director. So I'm pretty confident that compared to how I was in March and April, I'll be much able to present properly here. And I just like to add a feedback about one of my teammates, Pooja. She's not there today, but she's from my team. So we had our internal sessions also, our internal team sessions where our manager took a feedback from us as to how is it going, how the session is going, are we going to recommend it to other people and that. So me being a senior, a little bit experienced professional, she was a fresher. And the growth I have noticed in her, Prasad, from March till now is seriously commendable. After taking your sessions and everything, she's more confident nowadays in any team meetings or when she's presenting anything. She has a very good command on the vocab as well. And she challenges the team members as well as the managers like anything, because she knows that if something is going wrong, I'm going to speak up. Earlier, that stage fright or, the fright that was inside there, that should I speak, should I not speak, will I fumble, will I be able to speak or not, that has 80% gone from her. So this is the feedback that I had, and I'm seriously going to miss these sessions from next Tuesday. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Who would like to go in next?
So Prasad, first of all, I would like to thank you that you gave us your precious time to us. And actually these techniques are really helpful because I have a habit that I become nervous in front of the people which I don't know. So it's like like what I say. So this techniques really help me. And in my first session, like self introduction, I was really very nervous because even I have speak on this many times, but in terms of speaking on the people which I don't know, so that's the habit where I become nervous. So but these techniques I really learned, and these are really going to help me in future. So thank you so much, Prasad.
Who will go in next?
Hi, I can go next.
Yeah,
so
please.
What usually happens is that we have our points ready, but we're not able to process our thoughts and present it in a good way. So what really helped me was knowing the techniques, be it prep or any other techniques, history, present, past, or any other techniques that helped me frame my thoughts in a way that I could present it with my before my peers and seniors and everybody. So that really helped me. And this was a session that I always looked forward to because it was something off work and something different that helped me grow personally, professionally, in every way. And to add on, I love the way you shared your stories, your experiences, the different techniques, the jam sessions. I've never had anything like that, connecting random words. So I love those sessions and it was a great learning experience. The only thing is I missed classroom sessions because we were really competitive there, and the written notes, but that is manageable because everything was covered here. So yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for conducting it. And thank you, Mohit, for coordinating and all the efforts you took for us. Thank you.
Thank you. Who would like to go in next?
Let me speak.
Yes, Lakshmi, please.
Definitely. Thank you very much, Prasad, for all your trainings. Thank you very much, Avalara. Thank you very much, Mohit, for coordinating this. So definitely, this brings me change, a lot comparing from couple of months back and today now. I can able to speak, during meetings, without any pause fills. My main disadvantage is so much of pause files during meeting. I have a content in my mind, I couldn't able to speak. So with these trainings, I can able to put the content, what I'm going to speak during the meetings so that people can understand me. So even if it is, sometimes it is wrong also, I can able to think about it, and I can able to speak about the content. So such kind of confidence I build up in myself by attending these trainings. So thank you very much, Prasad, uh, for this kind of sessions to us. Thank you.
Thank you. Who would like to go in next? Nitin?
Yes, Prasad. So this training boost my confidence whenever speaking with the strangers, as everyone said that mostly we are comfortable with the team and we are good with colleagues. But if we are going beyond that, we are quite nervous. And also whatever are the techniques that you told, like prep and connecting words, dodge, and every technique is helpful and boost our confidence whenever we are talking with the large crowd or in a meeting, or we can say in one-on-one as well. So it's helpful for us. And thank you, Prasad, for your all the experience, the storytelling, and all the way how to start and how to conclude. So all the efforts are very helpful for us. Thank you.
Thank you. Who would like to go in next? We have Shivayan, Aradhana, and Rutuja.
Should I?
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Prasad sir, for conducting this thing. So it is a marvelous experience for me. So I had some challenges of mother tongue influence. Still I do have. I won't say that I am completely out of it. But now I know what are the lacunas are and what are the remedial actions I need to take. So you have just paved the path. I have to walk it through. So that's really, I'm grateful to you for the same actually. Obviously, I will be going to miss this session. Other than the learning, it was a fun. So it was a kind of refreshment. So every week we are just looking for this particular 2 hours where we can enjoy out of our busy schedules of work when we are totally confined in the house due to pandemic. So that was just like a oasis in a desert. So obviously I'm going to miss that thing. I'm feeling a little bit nostalgic, and thanks to Mohit also for conducting such a beautiful session. And when he got stuck due to pandemic, again, he reinvented the way again how we can do it. And last but not the least, I have learned little things from all of you. So everybody come across to this platform with their own personal challenges and agenda. But I was very much open to understand and analyze what brought them here and what brought us together. And from there, I am very much open and flexible and transparent way. I want to be candid on this part that I learned from each of you. So thanks a lot for being a good companion and making me learn the thing. Thank you.
Thank you. Rutuja, are you there? We don't see you. We can't say whether you are there or not. Okay. Aradhana, can you go ahead next?
Yes. So actually, I have a lot to share because, I don't have a problem with English, but when it comes to speaking to random people or even to phrase sentences, not just phrase sentences, like things are in my mind, sentences are in my mind, but it doesn't come out. And I face this problem, and especially when it comes to impromptu speaking, like all of a sudden I'm meeting my manager for the very first time, or I'm meeting a new person, and I don't get things to talk to that person. And sometimes they feel that I am very arrogant, and they make an impression about that. So this the impromptu technique that you've taught, even the prep technique that you've taught, or how to dodge certain words or how to connect words, so they have taught me, how to continue with the conversation. And it has really helped me build that sentence making or sentence framing that I was lacking. So that has really helped me and taught me in a way. And apart from that, I would say that this training was a refresher from our daily schedule, daily work schedule that we had. And working from home, although it is like we are happy with after working from home, but it does bring a lot of challenges as well. Like we cannot go out, we cannot meet people, we cannot meet with our team members or other colleagues. But this forum, it has helped us to be in contact with other team members as well. Like I remember Mohit's team, they used to sit in front of our bay. So we were able to see them face to face when we were in office, but we lacked that connection while working from home. But that we were able to work out when we had such sessions. And so yes, all in all, we had a very good we had a very positive outcome of this.
Thank you. I think
Thank you.
Rutuja has mentioned that she cannot speak. I couldn't read whatever she has written, but in general, what I got was she is not able to speak due to technicality. So that completes everyone except Mohit. Over to you, Mohit, now.
Thank you, Prasad, and thank you all my fellow mates. It was wonderful, Prasad. I was very, very excited when we started this. And I think once the pandemic started, I thought that, it will not happen, but heads off to your spirit. You did not give up on us. You continued to be in touch with us. We started it. You were available whenever we needed you. You followed up on things. You remember which speeches who has given, who has done what. So heads off to you for that spirit and that commitment. Inspired from you, want to do something similar that you have done, maybe an iota of what you have done, what you have achieved in this communicate, traveling around the country, speeches, language, the passion that you have. I have something similar that I want to do in my life. Amazing, lot of value add to my personal as well as professional learnings that I've done over here. And it was wonderful to hear all my colleagues, different perspective, cultural things that we have learned, speeches, techniques that you have taught. It was amazing. It was a wonderful experience. I would love to do it again. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohit.
Thank you, everybody, for all your support.
I would like to thank all of you for joining with enthusiasm. In each batch, we have about 30-40% who are ultra enthusiastic, who are good, who want to improve, who keep trying. And those guys are here right now in front of us. All of you have been very supportive and encouraging and enthusiastic in your efforts to learn. I've seen changes in you guys. Okay, the first time I met you was in February, and it is now 8 months down the line. So I've seen changes in you over 8 months. Last few changes were seen only virtually, but I can still feel that you guys have changed. You have improved to some extent, to a large extent in many cases. So that's a heartwarming thing for me, that whatever time we have spent has benefited a lot of you and you have improved in those areas.